Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to get voice chat on Roblox 2026. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, click on Roblox apps. Now tap on more icon. Scroll down, now tap on settings. Now tap on privacy and content restriction. Now tap on communication. There is no option to view voice chat here. Don't worry, I will show you. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Roblox apps. Search bar, now search for Roblox apps. Now tap on update. Now tap on play. Now tap on more option. Scroll down, now tap on help safety. Now tap on help. Now tap on search bar and search for voice chat. Now tap on voice chat. Scroll down, now tap on no. Now tap on need more help, contact support here. Now fill up the form quickly. Now tap on your username. Now tap on email address. And confirm your email address. Now tap on device type and select Android. Now tap on help category type and select technical support. Now type your problem here. Hello Roblox team, Roblox voice chat option not showing. Please enable this as soon as possible, thank you. Now tap on start plaza. Now tap on submit. Now tap on submit. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.